So this week 14 in Edav, we talked about how teachers are able to incorporate technology better and kind of like have some like helpful ways for them to incorporate it. We talked about the SAMR model, which is basically involves the redefinition, modification, argumentation, and substitution that can help for teachers to reflect and find better ways to better their incorporation of technology. And the goal with this is basically for students to reach a higher thinking and for teachers to help them reach that goal with using this model because they want to engage their students. So kind of like design activities that will allow for them to reach a higher thinking and make them think more about certain things within the model. Some examples of the application of the SAMR. Basically, some teachers are from one of the lessons. It was teachers applied it to lessons that weren't technology based, which is basically traditional lessons, and used the SAMR and some other things. And some of the lessons they include are like the exercises like writing a short paper, understanding Shakespeare, art/painting, and even learning fractions. And they incorporated technology within all those. So either like writing a short paper on a laptop, or like using materials from the web to research things to write that short paper, allowed for students to use it and kind of give them a new aspect and something new, a new way to learn and embrace technology. And I thought that was interesting because doing art and painting on a computer or anything like that would be fun to learn, and going back and forth within paper and a computer would be something that would be interesting and entertaining as well. And another thing would be the TPACT. So the idea of the TPACT involves technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge, which is all wrapped into one, so teachers can understand how and what to teach along with how technology may be used along with it. It also encourages students to first use context and pedagogy, then inquire technology along the way to help students incorporate the idea and getting used to it. So it basically brings context and pedagogy together, and then once they have that, they bring in technology to help students along the way. So all in all, it's basically incorporating technology within classrooms who may not have used it yet, and also gives advice to teachers who aren't used to technology, and allows for them to do it in a more better way, in a way that their students can be able to learn it, and the teachers may also be able to learn it and teach it well also.